All right, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Akinbola Ezekiel speaking. Let's talk about how you can get more WhatsApp view. That's on your status, right? So now I currently encountered someone who was complaining about how the WhatsApp view on the person's account has gone down. I know somebody who was recording about maybe let's say 300 to about let's say 400 WhatsApp view, WhatsApp views is now getting about let's say 70 to 100 views. You can see that this has gone down. It has gone down, and that's not good for your business. That means the people that used to see your business before now, the people that used to interact with your business before now, are no longer interacting with your business any longer, and that's not good for your business. So the question is, how do you get this number to go back up, and what are the new strategies? And the truth is that WhatsApp has changed its dynamics, and that is why you can see that the views have changed. I would have done this video just using my screen recording, but I feel to be proper to give a proper understanding because this more or less of a this more or less a strategy than it is just to do a walkthrough, right? So you need to pay attention and understand the dynamics, then you will know how to overcome the hurdle, right? So this is it now. The new dynamics for WhatsApp status view. First, you need to understand that WhatsApp status view only happens. People will see a status only when you send a DM to them. So people only watch your status. People only be able to see your status, or your status will come up. Before now, the timeline for the status always comes every time you post. So once anybody posts on your contact list, just get people to save your number. Once they save your number, they will get on your contact list. Once they get on your contact list, and then they will be able to see your status, right? Once that's what happens before. So once you make a video, you post, and immediately you post, it will come up. It will be bringing it at the first set of status that people will be seeing, and that's what made individuals to get or businesses to get more engagement with their WhatsApp status. But right now, this doesn't work. This doesn't work any longer. So now, the only condition that WhatsApp will use to bring your your status to an individual or your customer, your client on your WhatsApp status is that you then interact with them. So it's now based on interaction than it is based on uh, posting often. Do you understand? So it is more on interaction than you just posting every other time. Before now, WhatsApp strategists will tell you that, oh, keep posting, post at social time. Now it doesn't matter the time you post, you will not get it if you are not doing the right thing. So right now, the best strategy now, if you are not listening to anything I'm saying now, this time to listen. The best strategy to use is interaction. And interaction means that there must be an engagement between you and the people you want to see your WhatsApp status before they will see your WhatsApp status. Do you understand that? So that means that what you should be doing is that find a way to constantly interact with this set of people. Send a DM to them and let them send it. The DM you are sending, let it be interactive. That you will send a DM to them and they will interact, or they will talk to you back, or they will send reply to the DM in essence. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So don't just send a bulk DM, and at the end of the day, nobody is responding to you, or you are trying to sell a product. So, for instance, we are currently in the Ramadan season. The best you can do in this season now, just send it. Maybe you have Muslim friends, right? Select all of them. You can put them in a particular broadcast and send them something that will relate to them. Oh, hello, Muslim friends. How are you doing? How is the fasting going? Hope it's not stressful. End with a question so that you'll be getting their response. And they'll be like, oh, thanks for asking after us. I really appreciate. Let your whatever you are sending to them in bulk now. I'm talking about using the broadcast now. In bulk. Let it be something they can relate with and interact with. I've made a very interesting video. I'll be tagging it around here as well, right? So make sure it is something that they can interact with at every point in time. So if they can interact with it, it will lead to an engagement for you. Immediately respond, your WhatsApp status will immediately be the first two or three status that will be showing up. And you yourself, take note of it. Once you send message to a family member and notice what will happen on the status. The person's status is what you'll be able to see. So the same thing happens for your business. So this is one of the ways you can boost your engagement for WhatsApp status. And the next thing you should also do, apart from using broadcast, is that there are sometimes, depending on the number of clients you have, it is very good for you to go ahead and maybe send them a WhatsApp DM. Oh, it's been long I've heard from you. What's happening to you now? How have you been? Send a message that will allow them to reply back to you. That's if you're not doing a broadcast now. So this time around, send them a personal message. Some of them that you know their birthday, send them messages during their birthday. Some of them that you have relationship before now, or some of them that have purchased before from you. Ask them for the review of the purchase. That way you will get an interaction or a feedback from them, and then you would increase your WhatsApp status view by minimum 20% on the first day. I can assure you that once you do this, you will increase your WhatsApp status view 20% on the first day you try it. And you can go as high as over 200% if you are consistent with this. Now, it doesn't mean that you now keep bugging people with messages or keep sending them messages. No. What you need to do is just be consistent. Have a regular period of time that you send them this kind of messages. There are some people that send me DMs, I don't respond again. In fact, I used to do it back then, I think 3, 4 years ago. I just keep sending broadcasts to people, both those that need the broadcast and those that don't need the broadcast. At the point in time, I noticed some people started blocking me because it was becoming nuisance to them, and they were not relating what I was trying to tell. I was telling somebody about Facebook ad as a lecturer. It doesn't make sense to the person. The person is not interested in something like that. So I was not targeting or sending that kind of message to people. Now you notice that when I was sending those messages, those that relate with the videos or those messages, they were watching it and they were interacting with it. But I was sending most of the people that were getting it, they were not interested in. So make sure that whatever content you're sending, or whatever message you're sending is something that people can resonate with. And that's the summary of everything. Make sure that you interact with your client or your WhatsApp DM, and then your WhatsApp status view will increase. My name is Abimola Ezike. I'm the sales master of the universe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Sir, I got sir.